Most simply, an employer's liability claim is when an employee has had an accident at their workplace and their workplace are responsible for that accident. It can become a bit more complicated when the person who wants to claim is maybe a subcontractor or has been working at a place other than their usual workplace, such as a construction site. And then you can look for other things as to who you can sue, such as who's in control of your employment at the time of the accident. Well, I suppose slips and trips in the workplace are common. We are seeing a lot of accidents in care homes recently due to, I suppose, a lack of resources. They are becoming quite common now. Anyone who's suffered an accident at work and has certainly lost income as a result of that should certainly get in touch with a local solicitor to find out if there's anything that the solicitor can do for them. Evidence that you can get hold of would include anybody who witnessed the accident. They should certainly obtain their details. They could always ask for a copy of the accident report that was completed after the accident. That's certainly good evidence. Well, you need to certainly hold somebody responsible for your accident, and that is usually your employer. You need to have been injured, and you need to have been injured significantly enough for you to have injuries that last more than 4 weeks. An accident at work claim usually is 3 years from the date of the accident, but there are some occasions in which you are injured, but you don't know it was your workplace that caused the accident, and it later becomes apparent that it was your workplace that caused the accident, and that is date of knowledge. So for instance, if the accident or if the injury occurred at a certain date, but you don't link the accident or your injuries to the accident later, it can start from when you know you can link your injuries to an accident in work, and that is 3 years from the date of knowledge or 3 years from date of accident. I would strongly recommend seeking a solicitor if you've had an accident and wish to make a claim, just to make sure that you're getting the right amount of compensation. Solicitors do have a lot of experience and knowledge in this area, and it's always worthwhile engaging a solicitor to make sure that you're fully compensated.